Everyone, welcome back. Bitcoin is retesting the broken trend line, and it's time that we're gonna get to know if we're gonna get hammered right over here, because you are under the EMAs. You go below the EMAs right now. You've actually broken the neckline as well, and you've pretty much come back here to retest. And I've been mentioning this scenario in the last video updates that we could potentially even look at a wick all the way up here, take out the stop losses, and then try to move down if everything goes wrong. But in this sense, when I look at the altcoins, I don't know why something tells me we could have the potential of having a fake out on Bitcoin. I haven't checked the RSI in a while, and looking at the RSI, yeah, it's pretty down, but it can actually still go down farther and actually come all the way down to touch this trend line right over there. So I do think if you move all the way down to this technical target, the RSI is going to be completely oversold. And if you keep on going all the way to 18,000, and then we're going to have a bullish divergence as well. So if Bitcoin does go to $19,000, just for example, that will be an amazing buying opportunity. I think that's going to be really, really good for someone who is looking to enter a trade, for a swing trade on the daily time frame using the RSI. That would be really, really no-brainer, I guess. You're going to get something out of it. So for me, it's time to really look at the retest right now. So you do have two massive resistance. Number one, the 55 and the 10 is going to act as the EMA resistance. Number two is the trend line itself of the neckline that is going to act as some sort of resistance for Bitcoin at the moment. So if you do get rejected here and go down, boom, that's it. That's the end of it. We're looking for a technical target of 24,100. And 24,000, once again, is a retest of the neckline of inverse head and shoulder on the weekly. So if you look on the weekly, here we go. You got, I'm just going to remove the EMA. So you got the left shoulder head, the right shoulder, the neckline right over there. So if you're coming down to this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, which is a good thing. Bounce off here, and you might be looking for $37,000. So the summary of Bitcoin right now is the following. You got this resistance, that resistance, you got rejected here, got the head and shoulder, looking for 24,000. Today's the retest actually. But also, if this is a bull run or something like that, then you might want to have this in your brain that there's possibility that you end up shooting to the upside and smash through the retest and don't go down at all. Okay, just move up, because I'm saying this on altcoin standpoint. The altcoins doesn't seem to me like they want to go down, and if Bitcoin goes down, it's going to keep going down. The altcoins are really, really oversold. In fact, they even have bullish divergence now, so it kind of doesn't make sense for Bitcoin to go down. But in Bitcoin terms, it makes sense. In altcoins terms, it never really made sense to me. So that's it. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.